And let's just zoom out. So hang on a minute. Email gets received. How are we going to know what ticket that's for? Because DevOps ticket, they've all just got long numbers. Well, not long numbers, but numbers like 1 to a couple of thousand usually.
Yeah.
Well, there's a really cool feature which is available in Exchange, and it's enabled by default unless your IT administrator has disabled it. So let me just talk through that feature first. If I go up here and we talk about, it's called plus addressing. So what this means is you can do Ian. Helps if I've actually picked a pen now, doesn't it?
Oh, you've got the pointer still.
I know, schoolboy error. So I can do Ian. Clearly, I can't use one of these boards. There we go. Ian plus 1, 2, 3 at whatever your company name's called. So my, if I look at this is my Microsoft tenant, and what it does is it gives you, not only does it give you an extra level of security, no, that is not my Netflix username, but it gives you an extra level of security because it makes your username harder to guess. But also you can then easily route emails around, and if someone's sold on your email address.
That was like what I was then thinking of, because if you're then using that specifically when you sign up somewhere, if someone new starts emailing you at Ian at Netflix, then Netflix sold your data. That is a great thing. I honestly never even knew about it. I love this.
Plus addressing is really cool. So it's available in Office 365. It's available in the kind of the consumer model, the Hotmail type experience, and it's also available in Gmail. So plus addressing, and it will be available in other places, but it's really powerful. And it allows you to create on-the-fly aliases. So for instance, if I'm testing Azure B2C, I need to create multiple accounts. I don't need to contact the system administrator going, I need 6 different aliases. I can just create them on the fly.
Yeah.
So
sorry, even that respect. Yeah. So you can literally, I need to test this same thing, but I need to do it for 10 different emails. I'm not going to go and create them or create dummy ones when I can just do my own email address and change the numbers for each one, right? Like that is.
Well, you change the numbers, put words in, put whatever you want, mate.
That's amazing.
It's so cool. So in most environments, it's not disabled. So it's enabled by default in Office 365. If it's disabled in your environment, contact your IT admin and say, look, this is really useful. It's quite handy for IT security. If you use IT security, that's always a good stick to get something enabled. So if you need it, try that one. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this, and we're going to use this to kind of help us out here. So if we go back to our receiving email, what we're going to do is we're going to use plus addressing.
Mm-hmm.
So what we'll do is we'll have whatever email account is that we're using plus ticket number. At domain. So we're going to have a service account, an email address, a shared mailbox that we can pick up from, and then we're going to do this. Now, we're then going to try and get that data out of there. And we're going to use Copilot in Power Automate to try and get that out of there. We're going to see if it comes up with the same answer when Duncan tries this that it does for me, or that I've worked out quite a long time ago before Copilot was in. We're going to see if it comes up with the same answer. Bit embarrassing if it doesn't, but we'll live dangerously. So what we'll do is so the next step in our thing will be we'll have some kind of compose to get our work item ID. And this will be scope A. And then what we'll also do is we'll have, we want to also process our HTML text. Now, what this means is it just means that we're going to make sure we get text out the other end and we stick text into DevOps, because no one wants lots of other rubbish going in. So we're going to make this scope A. And what we're going to call that is, that's just like ticket prep. Then if we moved ourselves down, in our next scope, we're going to make a DevOps call. So a HTTP call out to DevOps. And what it does is it's going to put a comment against that ticket with the contents of that email. So we're going to HTTP call. Wrong color. And that's going to be our scope B.